Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a text box in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat, so make sure you watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat and load the PDF where you want to add the text box. For this example, I'm just using a sample PDF. Once your file is open, go to the top menu and click on the Edit tab. Under the Add Content section, you'll see options like Text, Image, and Header and Footer. From here, click on the Text option. Now, just click anywhere on your PDF where you want to add the text. As soon as you click, you'll see a text cursor appear and you can start typing. For example, I'll just type something like sample text. After adding the text, you can easily adjust it. You can drag it around to reposition it or resize it to make it bigger or smaller. You can also customize the text from the toolbar. For example, you can change the font style, adjust the size, make it bold or underlined, and even change the color if you want. Once everything looks good, just place the text wherever you need it on the page. And finally, don't forget to save your changes by clicking on the Save button. And that's it! That's how you can add a text box in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching!